Welcome, today in front of me OPPO Find X5 Pro, and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So first we should go into the settings application and then scroll down to the sounds and vibration. Now here you'll see the ringtone volume panel, and just to mute your device ringtone you should swipe this dot to the left side with your finger. And also you can do it by the second way. Just first be sure that here in the advanced settings we got the volume button function that you have here turned on the ringtone volume, not the media one, so switch it if you want. Have now selected the ringtone, and now just by press your down volume button you can also mute your device ringtone. And also you can do it by the third way, just by swipe down this volume panel with our finger by this way. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.